Be still. Let your heart rest for a moment. God says, I'm about to replace your tears with joy you didn't expect. You cried when no one saw. You held it together in public and fell apart in private. You smiled for others, while your heart carried quiet pain. But God says, I counted every tear. Not one fell unnoticed. Not one was meaningless. Not one was ignored. Some tears came from disappointment. Some from betrayal. Some from waiting too long for things that never came. And God says, your tears watered the ground of your breakthrough. What hurt you did not destroy you. What broke you did not end you. What made you cry prepared you. God says, joy is coming from an unexpected place, not from where you lost, not from what failed, not from who walked away, but from something new, something pure, something you stopped hoping for. You won't have to chase it. You won't have to force it. It will find you gently, and when it comes, you'll laugh again. Not because everything is perfect, but because peace returned. God says, your joy will surprise you. It will feel lighter than you imagined. It will last longer than you expected. It will heal deeper than you thought possible. The tears will not define you. The sorrow will not follow you forever. The pain will not have the final word. Because God says, I'm exchanging your tears for joy, and when it comes, you'll know it was worth the wait.